Hello, my friends out there in YouTube land. This is Gary from Arizona. So, this is the parts for a normal Hutch Mountain kit, propane kit for the 2000i and the 2200i generators, I believe, because I had this set up on my 2000s. But back in 2020, I upgraded my 2000i one generator to the 2200i because it had more output, and I would, instead of running two generators to take care of my AC on my travel trailer, I was able to do it with one generator. And that's what I've been doing since then. So the companion has just been kind of sitting around, hanging out, not doing much. So I decided on this last trip to go ahead and do that and just see how everything worked together, because Honda, when I gave them my serial number, said, oh yeah, the companion of the 2000i will work fine with the 2200i. I think they really believed it because, they would have tried to sell me a new generator at that time or told me no, it wouldn't work, right? So I did that. I hooked the two together. I, used their cables and all this other stuff. And, the generators just were not happy. They didn't play well together. I had already sold my regular 2000i generator, years ago to some guy. And I had sold it to him without the regulator. He was fine with that. He said if he wanted it to run on propane, he would go to Hutch Mountain and buy his own regulator and stuff. So after we got back this trip, I decided to I'm just going to sell my companion 2000, and I purchased a 2200i companion. Now I know they'll play together well because they're the same model number and the same output and all that other stuff. So what I didn't need was to buy one of these, because when I sell it, I'm not going to sell the regulator with the companion. That left me in a quandary because I needed to buy individual parts, I thought. Because, I went to YouTube and I looked up to see what other people were doing when they kind of did that. And I didn't see any video when somebody said, oh, I'm upgrading and I'm doing this and I'm keeping this and I need this. So what I did was I looked around, didn't find anything. So I called Scott at Hutch Mountain, and he says, oh, you need a lower assembly kit, I think it's called. The guys at Hutch Mountain, have always taken care of me and my propane needs on these generators. And once again, they did a stellar job. They said, oh, do you know we have a lower kit for the 2200i? And I went, oh, no, I did not. And because I had told them I didn't need the regulator or anything, I just needed the parts for that. So this kit cost me, I think it was about $140. I'm going high on that. But they knew exactly what I needed and what I talked to them about. And when I started looking on YouTube for a lower assembly kit for the 2200i, I didn't see any videos on that. So I thought I would do one for everybody out there and let them know that if they do keep their regulator off their Honda 2000i and just do an upgrade to a better generator, you don't need to buy a new regulator. Let the next person buy the regulator. They got money. Then you can just buy this kit, and you don't have to spend, a god-awful amount of money. You can buy another gallon of gas or something. Anyhow, I thought I would just share this with everybody out there. Because I didn't know about it. You might know about it. Maybe you don't know about it, but now you do. Hope you have a a great day. And once again, it comes with everything that you need. It's from Hutch Mountain. Talk to Scott there. This is another one of my raw videos. I'm just doing this. I'm just going to throw it out there. Oh, the nice thing also about the when you go from the 2000 to 2000i or 2200i is you don't have that little on and off switch at the top. It's all controlled by the Honda made an upgrade to the 2200i where you can just run it out of fuel. If you have this here, you don't need that little stop button up there. And it's Bluetooth, which is really kind of cool. Big Bang was really into Bluetooth. I remember one time he was doing his socks, Sheldon was. Yeah, so there you go. Comes with the instruction manual and all the parts you need, even the new decals, the kit, all that. Give Scott a call at Hutch Mountain. Tell him Gary sent you. I don't get anything from them, but at least it knows that I like their products, right? Okay, everybody out there, have a great day, have a great week, a great year. Good things are coming in the future. Take care of yourselves. Be happy. Stay healthy. Bye-bye now.